How to change hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is load up your Mobile Legends. After you do that, you'll see the settings icon on the top right corner. Simply tap on settings. After you're there, be sure that you're on the basic section. And after you're on the basic section, on the bottom, you should find the language option. Tap on language. After you tap on language, you should find the text, voice, and translate different tabs here. Head over to the voice tab. And after you're there, you will see different languages. Now you will see the Japanese one. This is the Japanese one right here. So simply tap on download, and after you tap on download, it should start downloading. Now what this does is that this does not change the app's complete language, but it only changes the voice of the characters or the hero that you're playing. So after this completes downloading, you can simply select that instead of English, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. That is how you can change your hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.